Imagine a truck so massive that a human looks tiny standing next to its tires. A machine capable of carrying in a single load what ordinary trucks struggle to move in multiple trips. And an engineering masterpiece built not just to drive, but to reshape the very ground beneath it. This is the Liebherr T282B, one of the most powerful and largest mining trucks in the world. A machine that instantly makes you realize how far human technology has come. This story begins in Germany, where Liebherr Group was founded in 1949. What started as a small construction company gradually grew into one of the world's largest engineering giants. Today, Liebherr doesn't just build cranes or construction machines, it manufactures everything from aerospace systems to household refrigerators. But among all its achievements, one thing truly sets it apart: extreme-sized machines. And with that vision, in 2004, the world saw the Liebherr T282B for the first time. A truck built to break every record of its time. When it first appeared at mining sites, people literally stopped to stare. Its sheer size is overwhelming. If it ever drove on a normal road, it would block the entire path. It measures about 15 meters in length, over 7 meters in height, roughly like a 2-story building, and wide enough to fit 3 cars side by side. But the real shock comes when you learn its weight. The empty truck itself weighs around 200 tons, and when fully loaded, its total weight can reach up to 600 tons. Just imagine, 600 tons. That's roughly equal to 100 elephants. And it doesn't just weigh a lot, it carries a lot too. In a single trip, it can haul 360 to 400 tons of material. That's the kind of load that would take 10 to 15 regular trucks to transport. That's why this truck is considered the king of the mining industry. Now let's talk about its heart, the engine. The Liebherr T282B doesn't use a traditional system. Instead, it runs on a diesel-electric system. Here's how it works. The diesel engine generates electricity. That electricity powers electric motors, and those motors drive the wheels. This setup provides more power, smoother performance, and better efficiency, even under extreme loads. Its engine produces around 3,650 horsepower with a massive 90-liter engine capacity. To compare, a normal car engine is just 1.5 to 2 liters. That difference alone shows the level of this machine. Now comes the most interesting part: fuel consumption. If you think it just uses a bit more fuel, you're wrong. This truck doesn't just run on diesel, it practically drinks it. It has a fuel tank of about 4,700 liters and consumes roughly 170 to 180 liters per hour. That means in just 1 hour, it burns as much fuel as a small car might use in an entire month. But for the mining industry, this isn't a problem, because the amount of work it completes in one trip reduces overall costs significantly. Despite its massive size, it can reach speeds of 60 to 64 kilometers per hour. It also features advanced braking systems like electric dynamic braking, which helps maintain control while carrying heavy loads downhill. The driver's cabin is nothing like a regular truck. It's equipped with high-tech displays, monitoring systems, and safety controls. The driver gets real-time data, fuel usage, load weight, performance, and more. Some versions even include a trolley assist system where the truck draws power from external electric lines, reducing diesel consumption further. Now, let's talk about the cost. The Liebherr T282B costs around $3.5 million, which is over 25 to 30 crore rupees in Indian currency. And that's just the purchase cost. Maintenance, tires, and fuel add significantly more. Even its tires are enormous and incredibly expensive, each costing lakhs of rupees. So where is such a machine used? You'll never see this truck on normal roads. It operates in the world's largest mining locations, like Australia, Chile, Africa, and Indonesia, places where mountains are broken down to extract valuable minerals. In such environments, every second matters. Small trucks simply aren't efficient enough. That's where giants like the Liebherr T282B come in, machines that maximize output in every single trip. That's why trucks like this have become the backbone of the mining industry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving powerhouse. A symbol of human engineering capability. It shows that we're not limited to small machines, we can move mountains. But the story doesn't end here. Today, even bigger and more advanced trucks are being developed. Automation is rising. Driverless trucks are becoming a reality. So what does the future hold? Will these trucks run without drivers? Will diesel be replaced by electricity or hydrogen? Will even giants like the Liebherr T282B become outdated one day? These questions remain open, but one thing is certain: the Liebherr T282B will always be remembered in history as a machine that pushed the limits of size, power, and engineering beyond imagination. And if you want to know anything else about this truck, please tell us in the comments, and you must like and subscribe to this video so that you can get the upcoming videos as soon as possible.